to my channel. It's your girl Shani, and guess what? We back with another one. As you can see, there's something different today. I'm not gonna point it out, but it might be a little person somewhere over here grabbing at things and messing with the screen. Okay, and she's going crazy. But you guys, today for this look, I'm calling this the harvest. This is what we're gonna call the harvest look. I don't know, it's just giving me harvest vibes. I just went ahead and was like, let's just try something dramatic today because I just felt like getting lost in makeup today. So that's what we're doing, you guys. I'm not gonna be long because as you can see, yeah. As you can see, this little one will not let me focus, you guys. And so make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, turn on that post notification bell so you can be the first to know when your girl drops a new video. Also follow me on social media before my niece pulls out my earring. I'm gonna put my name on the screen somewhere. Yeah, this is what I'm dealing with today. But you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get into this. I can't wait to see you on my next video. Peace. Wait, let's do it. Munchie, say peace. Alright guys, let's get into this. As you can see, I'm going in with my new facial steamer that I got from Lenovo, that I got from Amazon. If you guys are interested in all the deets, I'll go ahead and link my Amazon haul video so you guys can check this out. But so far, you guys, I am loving this facial steamer. And now after I went ahead and washed my face, I went ahead and just moisturized my face using my e.l.f. Daily Hydrating Moisturizer. Now I'm just going in with my e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator, and I'm just going ahead and getting all that dead skin off of my lips. So I do this before I do my makeup, so when I apply my lipstick, my lips aren't chapped. And now we're going ahead and getting right into our eyes. I'm going in, of course, with my old trusty, my Pro Concealer in the color Pure Beige, and we're just going to go ahead and set a base for our eyes shadow. And also just clean up underneath our eyebrow as well. Now I'm just going in with a brush and just smoothing that out. And just making some corrections. And then I went ahead and just set that primer using some of my setting powder from Benai because I didn't want it to crease. Now I'm going in with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the color 0.5, and I'm going to go ahead and just put that all over my lid and just blend it out. Now I'm going in with my first eyeshadow for this look. And I'm going to use my Zulu palette. You guys, I'll be using all Juvia's Place palettes for this look. But I'm going in with the Zulu palette in that yellow color. Sorry guys, it does not have a name, but it is the yellow color from the Zulu palette. And I'm just going and putting that right underneath the brow bone. Just patting that color in. And then I'll blend out as I'm packing it in. Now I'm going right underneath that, going to my The Warrior palette by Juvia's Place in the color Mino. It's that dark, deep brown color. And I'm going right underneath that yellow color. And we're going to pack the color in first and then just kind of blend it out. Now I'm just going in with my Q-tip and my micellar cleansing water, and we're going ahead and just cut our crease. And this crease is kind of a crazy shape, you guys. It's not your standard cut crease. I went in like elongated oval, and we just cleaned that off. Now I'm going back in with that P. Louise in the color 0.5, and going ahead and just cutting that crease and bringing that base all over the lid. Now I'm just going back in with my brush and just blended that out a bit so that we can have a smooth application. And now I'm going in back to that Warrior palette and just bringing that dark brown, that Mino color, I'm just bringing it into the crease using a fluffy blending brush. And now I'm going into the Saharan 2 palette with the color Taza, which is like an orangey brown color, and just blending those two together. I started with the fluffy blending brush, then I changed over just to a flat eyeshadow brush to get more color payoff. And we'll just blend those colors in together. I just went back to that blending brush and just blended those colors out. Now I'm going back, you guys, to that yellow color from the Zulu palette, right next to that Taza color. Same step, using a flat eyeshadow brush, and then we'll just kind of blend the two together. And make sure you pack that color on. If I was to do this again, I would just put a little bit more color on the lid. But now I'm going in with the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place in the color Kizzy or Kaizy. I don't know, I may be butchering these names, you guys, but I'm going in with that color right on the inner eyelid and just placing it on top of there. Now I'm going in with the angled brush, and I put a little bit of that micellar cleansing water to kind of cut this wing that I wanted to do. Now, this was a little bit messy for me, so I probably wouldn't try it again. I'll probably stick to a Q-tip, but I thought by doing it with the angle brush, it'll look cleaner and more precise, but it was a little bit messy, so I would probably use the Q-tip again. But I'm just going in and cleaning it out with that brush. And then I went back with the Q-tip just to clean it some more. Alright guys, now I'm going back in with the P. Louise base in the same color, 0.5, and I'm going in and just cutting that wing. Alright guys, so now we're going in with the same colors that we used on our cut crease, but we're going in reverse. So I'm going to start with that Kizzy color or Kaizy color first. Then I'll go in with the Taza color. Then I'll go in with the yellow color. And then we'll top it off with the dark brown, the Mino. And I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush, but you'll see when I get to that inner corner of the eye, because it's just so small, I went in with a smaller smudge brush to do that last portion. And I went ahead and just added a little bit more of that Kizzy on the other eye. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean up that wing using my micellar cleansing water. And getting all that fallout that came. And now we're moving on to my face. As usual, I'm just going in with my e.l.f. Luminous Matte Primer. And I'm going in with my Juvia's Place foundation, I Am Magic foundation in the color Nairobi. And just using my Nourishing Face Oil. And we're going to go ahead and just blend that all out. Making sure not to mess up our eyeshadow, because I have messed up my eyeshadow before. Now I'm just going in and we're starting our contouring process. So I'm going in with my concealer first, the Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And we'll go ahead and put that in all of our hot spots. And you guys, you see that headband I got on? It actually came with the face steamer. So it was pretty cool. Kept all my baby hairs pushed back. As you can see, I am just blending out that concealer. Again, being careful around my eyes. Now I'm going in to just contour my face using my Juvia's Place foundation stick in the color Nambia. And we're just going to blend that out. Alright, and I did want to deepen that contour, so I went in with my Sleek palette in the color Dark and went over the original contour we did, and it's just a powder contour. We wanted them cheekbones snizzatched. And now I'm just going in with that same Sleek palette with the highlighter that comes in it, and just going ahead and highlighting my high points, my cheekbones, nose, forehead, lips. And now I'm just going in with my Benai banana powder and just setting our concealer. Alright guys, and now I'm just going in with my NYX Jumbo eyeliner in the color Milk and just doing a white eyeliner. And then I'm going to smudge out that line using the color Taza from that Saharan 2 palette. And I'm going to just do the same thing with the other eye. Alrighty, and we just went ahead and popped on our eyelashes. And you guys, these are my Sumptuous Beauty eyelashes in the style Moscow. And you guys, I do have a promo code if you're interested in grabbing these. It is going to be Simply Shiny, the number 10, so that's Simply Shiny 10. I'm going to link it down in the description below. But you guys, if you're interested, go ahead and check them out. And this is the final look. I went ahead and just wrap my hair up, threw on a nice nude lip, and the bottom lashes, you guys, are just lashes or a pair of oat lashes that I use and cut up. So if you want a tutorial on how I do that, just let me know in the comments below. But that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. I know we're going through rough times right now, but we will all come out of this victorious. But I love you guys. Peace out.